AUTOSAR. AUTOSAR. Classic Platform R1911. Methodology. Summary. The methodology does not prescribe a precise order in which activities should be carried out. It is a mere work product flow. It defines the dependencies of activities on work products. This means that when the input work products are available, a task can be carried out to produce the output work products. This task is performed by roles, and can sometimes be completed using tools. The AUTOSAR methodology is structured into 5 domains of development. These domains are depicted in the methodology overview workflow, which includes the design steps to build an AUTOSAR system. If you want to learn more about AUTOSAR and other interesting topics, go to embeddedacademy.com.